Hey guys, so Samsung changed its marketing strategy recently and it is just so obvious. The South Korean giant has now released smartphones from the other series apart from the S series. The company has even introduced several new series with products manufactured for sales in specific regions like the Galaxy M10 and Galaxy M20. Older series such as the Galaxy A series continues to see improvements like the rumored Galaxy A90. Samsung is already rumored to be planning the pop-up selfie camera design on the Galaxy A90. That may be right after all, as a new rumor has emerged that the tech giant is not only planning to bring a pop-up selfie camera, but that the camera will have a rotating motor. What this means is that the same sensor will function for selfie shoots, and for the rear camera the design is said to be like a hybrid between the Oppo Find X and the Oppo N1. We also got reminded of the Sony Clipeg NZ90 with a rotating camera that serves as dual purpose too. According to OnLeaks, who shared the leak on Twitter, it is still unconfirmed but the source is pretty reliable.